Miners, have you been looking for a durable engine that can get the work done fast? Then invest today in an Astromech diesel engine from 3.5 horsepower to 8 horsepower, air and water cooled in 1500 RPM. This engine is low in fuel consumption, very simple to maintain, and long running hours. Shop now and receive free replacement part kits. If you cannot make it to our 31 High and Hatfield Street location, you can shop online at sylviesonline.com, or you can call and WhatsApp us on 623-7755 for more information. So come on down and get yours today.